Why America is the most powerful country in the world. The United States of America is known as the most powerful country in the world. There are many reasons why this country is so strong and important. It has a large economy, a strong military, advanced technology, a good education system, and a big influence in the world. Let us understand these reasons in simple words. First, America has the largest economy in the world. The economy is the system that includes money, jobs, businesses, and products. When a country has a strong economy, it means people have jobs, companies make money, and the government can help people. America's economy is big because it has many businesses, factories, banks, and people who buy and sell things. Big companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are from America. These companies sell their products all over the world. Because of this, America earns a lot of money. Second, America has the most powerful military in the world. The military is the group of people who protect the country. They are called soldiers, and they work in the Army, Navy, Air Force, and other defense forces. America spends a lot of money on its military. It has the best weapons, ships, airplanes, and technology. If any country needs help, America can send its military quickly. That is why other countries listen to America. Third, America is very strong in science and technology. It has many universities, research centers, and labs where people invent new things. America was the first country to send a man to the moon. It is also the home of NASA, which is a space organization that studies the universe. America also invented the Internet, which changed the world. Most people use American technology in their daily life. Fourth, the education system in America is very good. Many students from different countries go to study in American colleges and universities. Famous places like Harvard, MIT, and Stanford are in America. These places teach students how to think, create, and solve problems. When people study in America, they learn new ideas and take them back to their countries. This makes America a leader in education. Fifth, America has a big influence in the world. Influence means the power to affect what others do. Many people watch American movies, listen to American music, and follow American fashion. Hollywood is the film capital of the world, and it is in America. When people watch American movies, they learn about American culture, life, and ideas. This makes America very popular and powerful. Sixth, America has a strong government and democracy. Democracy means the people choose their leaders. The American government is based on laws and freedom. People can speak freely, vote freely, and live how they want. This freedom attracts many people to America. Every year, millions of people try to move to America to have a better life. Seventh, America has natural resources. It has oil, gas, coal, farmland, and water. These resources help the country stay strong. Farmers in America grow a lot of food. The country exports this food to other places. Also, America has many different climates and landscapes. This makes it a good place for tourism, travel, and business. Eighth, America helps other countries. When there is a war, flood, or earthquake, America sends aid. It gives money, food, medicine, and people to help. Because of this, many countries trust America. They see America as a friend and a leader. This friendship makes America even more powerful. Ninth, American people are hardworking and creative. They believe in freedom and dreams. The idea of the American dream is very famous. It means anyone can succeed if they work hard. This spirit makes people start new businesses, create new things, and keep moving forward. Many famous inventors, scientists, and leaders are from America. 10th, America has strong connections with other countries. It has embassies all over the world. It is part of many international groups, like the United Nations, NATO, and the World Bank. In these groups, America has a big voice. It helps make important decisions about war, peace, money, and human rights. Finally, America is powerful because it keeps changing and improving. Even when there are problems, people in America try to find solutions. They talk, vote, and make changes. This helps America stay strong for a long time. In conclusion, America is the most powerful country in the world because of its economy, military, technology, education, influence, freedom, resources, helpful nature, creative people, international relations, and ability to improve. These things make America a leader in the world. People respect America, and many want to follow its example. That is why America remains so powerful even today. Here is part 2 of the explanation about why America is the most powerful country in the world, written in simple English, with bold words and around 2,000 words total when combined with part 1. In part 1, we learned about many reasons why America is so powerful. Now, let us continue and explore more important factors that make America a world leader. These include American values, freedom of the press, innovation, immigration, strong transport systems, strong currency, powerful media, big markets, and leadership in global affairs. One very important reason America is powerful is its values. The country believes in freedom, justice, and equality. These values are taught from a young age. People are taught to respect others, work hard, and follow the law. These values create a strong society. When people follow good values, the whole country grows and develops. Another important factor is freedom of the press. In America, journalists can write and speak freely. The news media can criticize the government without fear. This keeps the government honest and accountable. People can know what is happening in the country. This freedom makes America stronger because truth and information are respected. Innovation is another reason for America's power. Innovation means creating new things. In America, people are encouraged to try new ideas. This is why America has so many startups and new technologies. Big ideas like Facebook, Tesla, Netflix, and YouTube all started in America. These innovations change how the world lives and works. Immigration also helps America stay powerful. People from all over the world move to America to start a new life. These people bring skills, hard work, and new cultures. They help America grow. Some of the most successful doctors, scientists, engineers, and business owners in America are immigrants. This mix of people makes America rich in talent. America also has a strong transportation system. There are roads, highways, railways, and airports everywhere. This makes it easy to move people and goods. A strong transport system is very important for trade and business. Goods can be delivered quickly. People can travel easily for work or tourism. Another thing that makes America powerful is its currency, the U.S. dollar. This money is used all over the world. Many countries keep dollars in their banks. International trade often uses dollars. Because of this, America has a lot of control over world finance. If the dollar is strong, America stays rich. The media in America is very powerful. American movies, TV shows, music, and news are watched and heard all over the globe. This soft power helps America influence other cultures. When people watch American films, they learn about American life. This creates respect and love for the country. Media also spreads American values like freedom, hope, and individual rights. Another reason is America's big market. There are over 300 million people in America. They buy a lot of things. This makes a huge market for products and services. Companies from all over the world want to sell their goods in America. This helps the economy grow. It also gives America the power to control prices and trade. America's leadership in global affairs is also a major reason for its power. When big decisions are made in the world, America is almost always involved. It is often the first to respond to international crises. Whether it is a war, a disease, or a natural disaster, America takes action. Other countries often look to America for help and guidance. Also, America has the power of freedom of religion and speech. In many countries, people cannot speak their mind. But in America, people can say what they believe. This freedom helps people share ideas, build communities, and create new things. It also makes people feel safe and respected. Finally, America is powerful because it never stops trying to be better. Even when the country faces challenges, people come together to solve problems. They fight for rights, for change, and for a better future. This spirit of hope and action keeps America moving forward. In summary, America's power comes from many places. Its values, freedoms, innovation, diversity, transport, money, media, markets, global role, and spirit of change make it the strongest country in the world. It leads not just with weapons or money, but also with ideas, culture, and dreams. That is why America continues to be a shining example for many nations. Another reason for America's power is its people. Americans come from many countries and cultures. This mix of people brings new ideas and skills. People from all over the world move to America to live a better life. They work hard and help the country grow. America welcomes smart and talented people from different countries, and this makes the country stronger. America also has a strong legal system. The courts in America protect the rights of people and make sure everyone follows the law. If someone does something wrong, the law takes action. This helps people feel safe and trust the system. In space exploration, America is a leader too. NASA has sent astronauts to the moon and is now planning to go to Mars. American companies like SpaceX are also working on space travel. This shows how advanced and future-ready America is. In short, America is the most powerful country in the world because it has a strong economy, the best military, advanced technology, great education, and influence around the world. It also has a free government, rich culture, and smart, hard-working people. All these things together make the United States a country that leads the world in many ways.